So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to recover your Facebook account, your disabled Facebook account in 2026. So looking right here, you can see that this is my account, and looking right here was the message I actually got from Facebook. Looking right here, you can see that. So looking right here, it says we disabled the account, we reviewed the account and find out that it still doesn't follow our community standard on account integrity. You cannot request another review on this decision. To learn more about the reason we disabled the account, visit the community standard. So right here, there is actually nothing you can do here. You can only log in back, or you can log into another account right here. These are the things you can simply do. So looking right here, you can see log out. So you can simply just log out or log back. There is simply nothing you can do at this point. So this is what you can simply do. You can go to your web browser. You can actually do this on your phone or on your PC. Just go ahead and search for Facebook help. So right here is my web browser. You can see what I actually typed here, Facebook help, like this. So you can actually do this on your PC or your phone like this. Just go ahead and search for Facebook help, and you'll be able to see this first option right here. So clicking on it like this, it is actually going to open. So right here is exactly what you're going to see. You're going to see this on your PC or on your mobile phone like this. So looking right here, you can see where it says login, recovery and security. So you need to expand that section like this, and then go ahead and click on account recovery. So right here as well, you can see where it says recover my account. You can see where it says recover a hacked account. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on recover my account like this. So right here, you need to go to this side. So looking right here, you can see recover my account, my Facebook account. So I'm going to go ahead and expand the section of this one right here, which is my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled, which is actually what's happened to my accounts. So I'm going to expand this section like this. There's actually no option here, so let's simply scroll down a little bit. Looking right here, you can see what it says here. We may suspend your Facebook account if we find out that the account or activity on it may not follow our community standard. So looking right here, you can see what it says here. You can appeal the suspension within 180 days. You can only do this if that actually happened to you within the space of 180 days. Now looking here as well, it says here if you don't appeal to the suspension after 180 days, or if the appeal isn't successful, we will permanently disable your account. So in order for you not to allow that to happen, you can simply scroll a little bit down. So looking right here, it says to appeal a suspension, log into Facebook. You will be prompted to appeal the suspension within 180 days. So you can actually go ahead and click on log in to Facebook. So if you click on log into Facebook, they are going to give you option to log into Facebook. So you just need to go ahead and, let's say for instance, you click on it like this. You're going to be asked to log into your Facebook account. So once you log into your Facebook account, you'd be able to see a form which you can actually fill, or they are simply going to give you the option of using your ID to verify your information on Facebook, and also a form that you can actually fill in order for you to be able to appeal. So this is what you can simply do in order to recover your suspended or disabled Facebook account. You can as well go to their social media account, let's say to their Instagram account or their Twitter account, to tag them and send for them an appeal, explaining to them what's really happened to your Facebook account. And lastly, on a device like this, you can simply go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and click on the search button and search for Facebook like this. So when you search for Facebook, go ahead and click on it like this. Scroll a little bit, and you're going to see the option of app support. So you just need to go ahead and expand that section, and you'd be able to see the option of email. You can see that right here. So this is actually their official email. So you can simply go ahead and click on it like this, and then click on just once. So right here, you need to go ahead and type in the subject as accounts disabled. So after typing this account disabled as your subject on your email, you can simply go ahead and compose your email as this, I'm going to leave this on this video's description. So right here is the exact report you can actually send to Facebook. Looking right here, you can see sincerely, you can see that place where it says your name, so you can simply go ahead and type in your own name right there. Once you are done with that, go ahead and let me simply go ahead and type in my own name. So after typing in your own name like this, go ahead and click on the send button at the top right corner of your screen, and it is going to be sent to Facebook. Facebook is actually going to review your information and get back to you on your email within 24 hours. So this is how simple it is for you to fix the account is disabled or suspended on Facebook. Hope you found this guide helpful. We've come to the very end of this video. Now don't wait to hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. Alright guys, see you in the next one.